The stunning 1957 Chevy Bel Air, once overlooked as a collector's item until the 1970s, now commands six-figure sums at auctions. What keeps this iconic car dominating the roads over 6 decades later? It goes beyond its eye-catching tail fins and dazzling chrome. Let's explore why the Bel Air remains a symbol of automotive excellence. To truly appreciate the significance of the 1957 Chevy Bel Air, we must rewind to the post-World War II era. America was experiencing economic prosperity, and the demand for cars shifted dramatically. Gone were the utilitarian designs of the 1930s. The focus was now on style and comfort, marking the advent of what's known as the jet age in automotive design. Thanks to technological advancements, particularly in aviation, car designers began incorporating futuristic elements. The famous tail fins on the Bel Air, for instance, were inspired by jet planes, embodying a bold, forward-thinking aesthetic that was revolutionary at the time. The Bel Air was designed by Claire M. Macachan. Beyond his celebrated design contributions, Macachan was an advocate for innovative manufacturing processes at General Motors, pushing for advanced materials that set industry standards. Macachan believed that cars should blend form and function, as seen in the Bel Air's stylish chrome accents and powerful 283 cubic inch V8 engine with fuel injection. One of the first aspects that grabs your attention about the Bel Air is its striking appearance. Even today, it stands out as one of the most recognizable cars in history. The dramatic tail fins, bold front grille, and shiny chrome accents exude the essence of 1950s America. The sleek, elegant body lines suggest power and aggression, making the car look undeniably potent. The vivid two-tone paint jobs further enhance its visual appeal, creating a vibrant contrast that ensures the Bel Air is impossible to ignore, whether cruising down the street or parked at a car show. What truly sets the 1957 Chevy Bel Air apart, however, is the meticulous attention to detail in its design. Every element, from the chrome rocket hood ornaments to the dual headlights and twin tail fins, was carefully crafted for balance and aesthetic harmony. Even the gas cap was cleverly concealed behind the rear tail light, preserving the car's smooth, uninterrupted lines. Chevrolet was known for producing budget-friendly vehicles, but the Bel Air was a different breed. It was positioned as the premium option within Chevrolet's lineup, offering luxury and style typically found in far more expensive cars. Despite its affordable price, the Bel Air was packed with features, showcasing as much chrome and visual flair as a Cadillac, but with a sleeker profile. It provided the allure of luxury without the hefty price tag, allowing everyday drivers to experience the feeling of being behind the wheel of something truly special. Yet, the 1957 Chevy Bel Air wasn't merely a pretty face. It packed a punch under the hood. Chevy offered a variety of engine options, catering to drivers' diverse performance preferences. The base model featured a reliable 140 horsepower, 250 cubic inch Blue Flame 6-cylinder engine. For those seeking speed, the iconic 283 cubic inch V8 engine was available in several configurations, delivering anywhere from 185 to an impressive 283 horsepower. The Bel Air was also among the first production cars to feature fuel injection, a groundbreaking innovation at the time. This technology significantly enhanced performance, and for those craving even more power, Chevy offered a dual 4-barrel carburetor version of the 283 V8, producing 270 horsepower. With such high-performance engine choices and the availability of a 4-speed manual transmission, the Bel Air was not just about aesthetics. It was built for speed, appealing to driving enthusiasts who craved both style and substance. Interestingly, the 1957 Chevy Bel Air didn't immediately garner the dream car status it holds today. It wasn't until the 1970s that collectors began to appreciate its unique qualities. This car wasn't just about looks. It was a high-performance machine that encapsulated the spirit of post-war America. By the 1970s, demand surged, and prices for well-preserved models soared. Today, a restored Bel Air can easily fetch six figures at auction, and these cars are a staple at classic car shows. For many collectors, owning a Bel Air transcends monetary value. It's like possessing a piece of American history. The car symbolizes an era when automobiles were not just modes of transportation, but expressions of freedom, style, and success. The cultural significance of the 1957 Chevy Bel Air cannot be overstated. It became a symbol of the open road and the American dream, frequently appearing in films, TV shows, and music videos, further cementing its iconic status. The Bel Air's design, characterized by its chrome and tail fins, evokes a deep sense of nostalgia, taking enthusiasts back to a time when cars had real personality and flair. Owning a 1957 Chevy Bel Air is more than just car ownership. It's about making a statement and appreciating a timeless classic that represents a significant chapter in automotive history. Beyond its classic appearance and cultural impact, the engine technology in the 1957 Chevy Bel Air was revolutionary. The introduction of the 283 cubic inch V8 engine marked a pivotal moment in the automotive landscape. This engine came in various versions, including one with dual 4-barrel carburetors and another featuring advanced fuel injection, which was cutting edge for its time. The most powerful version could generate 283 horsepower, positioning the Bel Air among the fastest cars of its era, especially when paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This performance allowed it to compete with sports cars, ensuring that driving the Bel Air was as thrilling as it was stylish. In essence, the 1957 Chevy Bel Air is more than just a vehicle. It's a slice of history that transports us back to an era when cars were crafted with passion and care. Each sighting of a restored Bel Air evokes memories of the 1950s, a time when automobiles were true works of art. As time progresses, the value of the 1957 Chevy Bel Air continues to rise. It has solidified its status as a symbol of a golden age in American car design, one that we may never see replicated. Whether you're a classic car aficionado or someone who appreciates exceptional design, the Bel Air exemplifies the essence of what made American automobiles so special. So why does the 1957 Chevy Bel Air still reign supreme on the roads today? It's not just the stunning design or the impressive performance, both of which are undeniable, but rather, it represents a cherished era when cars were about more than mere transportation. The 1957 Chevy Bel Air is a piece of American culture, captivating car lovers around the world. The valuation of the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air varies greatly based on condition, originality, and features. In perfect condition, values range from $77,500 to $379,500. Recent auction results highlight this demand. A convertible sold for $112,750 at Mecum Auctions, another for $88,000 at RM Sotheby's, and a third for $112,000 at Broad Arrow Auctions, all reflecting the strong market for these classics. Thanks for watching.